I need to make a 360 turn, and I don't want to get my guy's way. I looked at them. What Sea-Doo makes a really small one that's affordable, and that's about 60 grand.
Whoa. I would like a Bayliner.
That guy was probably like 89 grand.
Okay, but like insurance too, then with all those?
Yeah, on those boats. Yeah. Anything newer than 10 years, you have to insure.
Oh, you do?
Anything newer than?
Anything older than 1980, you can't insure. We got a strong broadleaf.
What are we doing, Chad?
I'm going to turn the 360 this way.
We gotta flip?
Yep, we're going to flip.
Okay.
Right now or wait?
Let the wind tell you. See those still Corey's.
Turn that down a bit though.
Yep.
Other way.
Okay, now it's switching. I gotta get this. Where'd that yellow ball go? Okay.
Where'd it go?
Okay, wait. So that's actually not bad. We got a wind. It's actually coming this way, and so it gives us.
Do we need to worry about him?
Huh?
What about this guy?
I don't know. I can't slow down. I'm supposed to have the right of way. Huh? I'm just gonna turn because I can't. I don't know. 'Cause I can't.
Yeah, we can't.
We can't. No. I don't turn very well.
I think we should try to point towards something.
No, well, I know. Now I can go slow. So the laws state that I have the right of way. The only thing that has the right of way over me is vessels over 100 feet.
Oh, really?
So like freighters and naval ships.